Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily access your Ledger XRP account using the XRP Toolkit. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect your Ledger device and open the XRP app on it. Make sure your Ledger is plugged in and unlocked. Navigate to the XRP app on your device and open it up. Next, head over to the XRP Toolkit website. Once you're there, click on Get Started. You'll see an option to connect wallet. Click on that. Then choose Ledger device and hit Connect Ledger. Your browser might ask for permission to connect to your Ledger. Select your device from the list and click Connect. The XRP Toolkit will start communicating with your Ledger device. Now you'll see a list of accounts associated with your Ledger. Select the XRP account you want to access and click Confirm. And that's it. You now have access to your Ledger XRP account through the XRP Toolkit. With this setup, you can securely manage your XRP transactions and account details with ease. The XRP Toolkit provides a user-friendly interface while keeping your assets safe on your Ledger device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Remember, always keep your recovery phrase secure and never share it with anyone. Stay safe out there. All right, see you in the next video.